Mr. Allen here for our presentation assembly. Yes, it's reception presentation assembly. We've made it. It's Friday the 17th of December 2021. And we're here at the end of term. It's the last day of school today before we break up for the Christmas holidays. And haven't you been working so hard, you reception children? It's amazing. You see the number of certificates coming out, and for all the certificates and all of the amazing work that you have done throughout this term. You're not going to see a great deal of me. We're just going to see you. So we have nice close-ups of your faces for when you're getting certificates, when you take those home at the end of the day. So let's kick off this morning right away and find out who these children have won these certificates throughout this term. Here they are. And we start this morning in Miss McTavish's class with Understanding the World certificate winners, going to Quinn, Ruben, Archie and Bella. Look at those big smiles on their faces. Well done, guys. I'm so proud of you. Congratulations on earning your presentation assembly certificates. You superstars. Enjoy taking those home at the end of the day today. Then we've got phonics certificates. Look at these guys learning all their sounds and doing all their blending. So we've got Helen, we've got Kobe Ray, we've got Letty, and we've got Theo. Well done. Congratulations, guys. Huge congratulations. Well done on learning your phonics. It's just going to help you read, get better and better as you get through reception. So fantastic autumn term. Well done, all four of you. Next, we have our maths certificate winners. These guys doing their maths mastery. Look at these, look at this. So we've got Simon, we've got Amelia, we've got Bassam, and we've got Alice. Wonderful smiles again from these children. Super maths, guys. Really well done. Keep it up. And a fantastic autumn term. Enjoy taking your certificates home with you as well. You absolute superstars. Well done. Then also, look at this, we've got some reading certificates. Now these guys, not only are they going to be getting a certificate, they'll be taking a reading book home with them as well. You've got Rafaela, Elijah, Arafat and Vienna. Well done, guys, amazing. And actually, amazing reading this term. These four children have read every single day. What an amazing autumn term. Well done, all four of you. Keep it up over Christmas and let me know all about the book that you take home and tell me what it's all about when you come back in the new year. Really well done, guys. Fantastic effort. And finally, Miss McTavish has some PE certificate winners. Look at these guys doing their physical education, being super active and agile. So we've got Darby, we've got Max, we've got Zachariah, and we've got Sonila. Well done, guys. Super effort with your PE certificates, and well done for being so active and doing so much exercise when you're outside. So really well done. Super job, guys. I'm so proud of you. Enjoy taking your certificates home with you today. On to Miss Ruffle. Now, Miss Ruffle, look at this. Miss Ruffle's reception Phonics Stars. Oh, these guys have been working so hard on their phonics and helping them to learn to read as well. So we've got Aidan, so we've got Sebastian, we've got Hannah, and we've got Seema. Well done, guys. Super job on your phonics. Well, enjoy taking your certificates home with you today. You absolute superstar. Big smile there from Aidan. Well done, Aidan. So proud of you. You star worker. You well done. Now, Miss Ruffle's reception reading stars. Now, these guys are going to be taking home with them a reading book as well. So we've got Armandas, Willow, Stephana, and Arabella. Well done, guys. So proud of you. Really amazing reading. Again, reading every single day. So proud of you. Really good. We've seen Armandas even doing some reading to some children, but really proud of you guys. So well done. Enjoy taking your reading certificates home with you as well. You absolute superstars. Miss Ruffles now got some PE stars. These guys, look at Nella doing that balancing there. Superb. We've got Archie, we've got Alicia, and we've got Dimitri. All of you, absolute amazing PE stars. Again, being physically active, doing lots and lots of exercise, and doing really well in your PE lessons as well. Nella, great smile there and great balancing when you head there. Well done, all four of you. Enjoy taking your certificates home with you as well. So proud of you. Then Miss Ruffle's got our math stars. Look at these mathematicians. Look at these. Nafi, what a smile. Amazing. Well done, Jensen, Cody, and Lola. Amazing maths, guys. I am so proud of you. So really amazing maths mastery that's going on with your numbers to 10, numbers to 20. It's really good to see. And Jensen there with your number 5, where you turned 5 on your birthday. So really well done, guys. Enjoy taking your maths certificates home with you as well. Oh, look at Understanding the World. So Miss Ruffles, Understanding the World. Look, so we've got Xavier, we've got Elliot, we've got Ruby, and we've got Katie. Well done, guys. Well done. You thought, again, amazing smiles. Look at you guys. You should be smiling now because you just earned yourself Understanding the World certificate for your autumn term. So really well done. Nice early Christmas present for you all there. Well done, all of you. Really proud of you. Well done, everyone, indeed. What a fantastic effort from everyone. And it just leaves me to say a very Merry Christmas to you all. I hope you have a wonderful and happy Christmas. And please do all stay safe. Finally, as well, as you can see, back to school on Tuesday, the 4th of January, 2022. and the gates will be open at 8:30. It'd be lovely to see you all after Christmas, safe and well. So please do stay safe, stay well, have a very Merry Christmas, and we'll see you all in the new year in 2022. Well done, everyone. Bye-bye now.